here's the Morimoto box. We're about to unbox this and put it on my 2011 F150 here. So we're going to trade those out, put new ones on, and see how that looks. Alright, let's unbox it. Protected very well with this cushioning. So we're going to get all this on the map, take out the other one that's underneath, and come over here. Before I take all that off, I guess I gotta come over here and take these out first, and then we'll put those in here and see how it looks. Alright YouTube, we have the first light installed. Just the two up top like I showed you. You should run this behind the radiator here because you're going to have this big core on top, and I don't know if it's kind of slightly, but I like having the back here. I'm going to tighten these up later. But it's behind the light. And so far so good. So far so good. It makes my truck look different. So this is already plugged up and installed. I'm going to turn this on to test it. We'll see what happens. Let's see how it looks. Let's go. Actually, just by cutting on the open up the door here. Oh man, she's beautiful. She's beautiful. We're gonna have a small, tiny gap here, but I guess that's probably how the old light looks too. If I was doing this other light, yeah, same thing with my. These are the original lights from the manufacturer, so there's a small gap here. So I guess that's just normal, and right there. But that's just so here, and so it's a small gap. Just I guess that comes from the manufacturer. I just never noticed it until I put these in. But so it's the same fitting. As you can see, that same gap is here, same gap here, but it's just the way Ford made it, I suppose. So can't be mad at that. Morimoto looks like they're right on par though, but that's a good looking light. So let's turn on the she's ready to go. Alright YouTube, here's the finished look. Both sides are done. Both sides look nice, clean fit, perfect fitting. Makes the truck look like a whole different truck to me. Like I said, everything looks great. That's just me opening the doors. It's a nice look. Nice look. Let me close the hood here. Make sure I got all the tools out the way. I cleaned up everything nicely. Yes. Okay, good. Close this. Yeah, looks like a very clean truck. I don't know, Mustang. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous, okay? But this is the 2011 F150 XLT model 5.0. Has about 155,000 miles on it now, but this kind of updates it. Excuse me. So I like it. Let me get on the lights. Lights on. Yes, everything works. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. That's so beautiful. Adjustment of it, or the height of the lights are clean. You know, we don't have any. I mean, it's a really awesome truck. Usually have this when I started. All right, people, there you go. I got the Ambers. These lights are about $1,600. That's what tax, shipping, whatever else you want to order, but basically out the door. I guess it was like 14 something because there was a discount, so it ran for about 1,400. But you had in taxes, you had in shipping, you had in insurance, because I did have insurance on these two to get them here safely. Yeah, so it's about 1,600 bucks. Very pricey item if you're gonna get it, but these are the Ambers. Right now they're gonna be pretty much the only one on the block for a while till people get them. But there you go, baby. She's looking nice. All right, hope y'all like this video.